Hi, I'm Tiffany Creager, licensed social worker and SEL and school culture specialist for encompassing education. Starting or enhancing SEL systems and supports can be an overwhelming process. And I would love to bring my 18 years of experience to help streamline that process for you. First things first, I would want to hear from you, from your district leaders, your teachers, staff, community, and students. And depending on what we learn in our initial assessment, there really are a number of places for us to start. When looking at tier one services and supports, we might begin by strengthening school climate or teacher and staff well-being, maybe looking at positive behaviors and relationships or positive discipline practices. Or perhaps we want to look at mental health literacy and our school-wide social emotional learning programs and procedures. Once we have that solid foundation, we can begin exploring more intensive interventions for students who need a little extra support from that tier two. Examples at this level would include small group interventions, maybe for students with similar needs, brief individualized interventions. We could be looking at problem solving, motivational interviewing, mentoring, and or low intensity classroom-based supports. And then finally, I can bring my experience as a school social worker and as a director of school-based mental health services to help support the relationship and process you have with outside agencies, providing intensive support to those tier three students. Like I said, when we look at that big picture, it can seem really overwhelming, but you might be surprised at how quickly just a few small changes at each tier can bring about improvement. I'd love to learn more about your district and see if my services could be of value to you.